In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install WordPress locally on Mac. If you head to localwp.com, there's a link to this in the description, and you can use this software which you install on your Mac to be able to create a WordPress website without signing up to hosting. You can install themes, plugins, and build any website you like. The downside is you can only view the website on your Mac, so others can't view the website, and you need hosting to do that. If you want to cut out the middleman and get hosting for free, where you try it out for 3 days for completely free and install your WordPress website, there's a link in the description. To get started installing WordPress locally on Mac, go to the resources drop down and then click on releases. And on Mac, there's 2 different versions that you can install the software on. I'm going to choose this one, but it's worth checking whether you've got an Apple Silicon MacBook or Mac. And you can do that by clicking on the Apple sign at the top, going to About This Mac. And if it's an Apple Silicon one, it'll say chip instead of processor. Because mine says processor, I'm going to use this link here, but if yours says chip, click on that link. So click on the link and it'll start downloading, and I'll see you on the downloads page next where the file should have downloaded to. Once the local WordPress file's downloaded, double click on it and then double click on local. Click on open. Agree to the terms and conditions. And then you can just skip this part if you want by clicking the X in the top right. Choose no thanks. Choose no thanks. Then click on create a new site. Choose this option, create a new site, then click continue. Then give the site a name. So I'm just going to call it this. Once you've picked the name, click on continue. Choose preferred, click on continue, and put a username and password in. Once you've put the username and password in, click on Add Site. And after a few moments, you'll land on this page. Click on this in the top right, WP Admin. And enter the username and password you used to sign up with before. Click on Login. And here you have a local WordPress website that you can start building and create whatever website you like. Again, if you don't want to go through all this where you install WordPress locally and then have to migrate your website over to a host, you can install WordPress for completely free on a host. There's a link to it in the description. So feel free to do that to save yourself some time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. As you can see on screen, you can go to builderwebs.com and you can view this tutorial and follow it through step by step. I'm Jonathan from Builderwebs, and thank you for watching the video.